Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the missing nicknames error that you might be experiencing on Instagram. In order to do so, first off, let's show you where you can find the nicknames option. First, if you go to your chats and you select any of the chats that you have here, if you click on the top where you see the person's name, then from here you should see the nicknames option. And if you're not seeing that option, then that means that you are experiencing this error. So there's a couple things that you can do here. First off, if you are on Instagram, then if you're on Android, then you want to check to make sure that you have not updated the app. So if you haven't updated the app, then you're going to need to do that. Otherwise, you might try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling the app. However, if that still doesn't work, then you are going to want to report a problem. So in order to do that, if you come to Instagram and select your profile, then here up at the top right hand corner, you'll see these three lines. We're going to go ahead and select that. Then we're going to scroll all the way almost to the bottom here, and you'll see the help option. We're going to go ahead and select help, and then we're going to go ahead and select report a problem. Then from here, we want to report problem without shaking, and then include and continue, or don't include and continue if you want to do that, but we're going to go ahead and include. We're just using this as an example. Here you are then going to report your issue and inform them that you are not seeing the nicknames option. Let them know, and then once that is done, you can hit send. If you are on iOS, then what you can do as well is if you go to your settings and then select general, then you want to go to your storage, and then from here you're going to want to look for Instagram. Once you have found that, then here the option you want to select is to offload the app, which will essentially delete all of the files and clear the cache for the program, but it is still going to keep the documents and data. So once you finish offloading that, then what you can do is you can reinstall it, and reinstalling it will oftentimes clear the issue. One thing to also consider is that this is a function that may not be included in your area. Depending on where you're living, there might be certain restrictions to certain countries and locations. So that is another reason why you might not be seeing the nickname function. But that will give you an idea of the steps that you can take, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.